To remove the radio from the panel, you can see inside here there's the two metal tabs. You can press them in. And you can press both tabs in and try to push the whole radio out that way. You can push the radio that way while pressing these two tabs, just make them a little bit out, and do the same on the other side. Then you can take radio out of the trim panel. So on this side you can see and they are partially down position. So we can do the same on the other side, and after that we can just slide the radio out of the trim panel. So now I have pressed this side in and also press the other side in, so you can see the radio could be just removed from this trim panel. So we have three buttons here. This is the air conditioning button, this is the emergency button, and this is the rear screen heater button. So to remove any of the button, it is the same. So we can look at the back of the button. So now you can see you have two tabs on each side of the button. So this is two tabs, and at the other side, if you can see it. Anyway, there's the two tabs here and the two tabs on the other side. You can use two hands just to hold these two tabs. Press them in, this one and the one on the other side. With your other hand, press this and the other one, and then pull it out that way. Now here you can see this one is normal position, and this one, and I have used both of my hands to push the four tabs inward and then push this switch outward, and it's you can see a little bit down already, but you can continue to push it out that way. And on the other side you can take the switch out. So this is an AC button, emergency button, and the rear screen heater button. They are the same mechanism, so you can move any of them the similar way. So this is the rear screen heater button. I have pressed the tabs, the four tabs, and then push the button a little bit down, and then we can just push it further, and it's coming out from the front of the trim panel. And in the middle, this white is the emergency button. I have pressed the tabs, you can see here, and we can have a look over there. There are the two tabs over there. Just press the four tabs in at the same time and push a little bit down. And after that, we can just continue pushing, and it comes out from the front of the trim panel.